Sanibonani guys, igama ngiNqobile nifuthela amazwi la eInimba angumhla ka-22 April. Sengathi-ke guys, ukuba unkosikazi wakaNgqukana kukaZoleka, kuZoleka kuyimosha kancane kancane impilo kaNomfundiso. Namhlanje-ke uthole i-phone call from izintatheli zimtshela ukuthi-ke uzoba kwi-front page lapha kumaphephandaba as umuntu wesifazane wokuqala ukurana-ke iNgqukana Industries. And I'm sure this is going to rub uNomfundiso the wrong way because she is the one obekade elaphaya umuntu wesifazane eyimbokodo yakaNgqukana. Manje sekufika uZoleka gwiqiqi usevele emaphepheni kuthiwa uyena mbokodo-ke erana laphaya iNgqukana Industries. Guys, yazi umshado uyisibusiso, kodwa-ke masusuza ney'ngqinamba ezinje, ayi guys, sengathi kuhamba kugcina kushuba. Akupheli-ke lapho. Kuphinde kwatholakala-ke ukuthi uNonceba is also suffering from i-bipolar disorder njengonina. Kanti-ke uke wahlambuluka kumfowabo-ke uLazarus namhlanje esho nje ukuthi cha, akazizwa kahle, ubona sengathi ngisho umshado wakhe wamosheka ngenxa yakhe. Uyasho ukuthi umlisa lo bemshadile is a very good and kind man and he was very supportive empilweni yabo. So she is the one who pushed him away. Kancane kancane wakabakhona iwedge phakathi kwabo, and now she realized ukuthi-ke she is the reason why umshado wabo uke wabhidlika because of this condition le ye-bipolar. Ushilo ukuthi ngisho umntana wakhe uyabona ukuthi akasakwazi nokumkhulisa kahle because she is moody. 1 minute she's happy, she is fire, like she doesn't need assistance, she's got everything under control, and the next she's losing everything just like that, losing faith, losing confidence, like abona sengathi everything is heavy to do. So uyasho ukuthi-ke ubona sengathi mengase ekudokotela ngampela confirm ukuthi unayo le bipolar, uzomane nje abe esiba worse, akafuni ukubona udokotela. Hayi-ke guys, uLazarus umane wahamba-ke waya kubaba wakhe eyosho ukuthi like, dad, you really messed up. You and mom, actually, I blame both of you for not telling us the truth initially, because buka manje uNonceba is going through the same thing. She has been going through this for a very long time, and ukube besiyazi nyani ngabe simsize earlier nomshado wakhe ngabe mhlambe sikwazile ukusave. Lapho-ke ubaba kaLazarus umane wathuka ukuthi hawu, kanti lento iphinde ihlasele nabantwana, ayigcine nje ngokuthi ihlasela umzali. Kodwa-ke kwafana nokuthi-ke uthela amanzi emhlane wedada, ngoba uLazarus does not believe ukuthi he is feeling sorry for indodakazi yakhe uNonceba. Umane wathi nje, don't act, you are acting right now. Awukwazanga ukuthi usitshele inyaniso initially, so why do you care now? You never cared. Akupheli-ke lapho guys. Le eKhosela Tech izinto zihamba kahle kakhulu business wise, and uPortia lo abamqashile as a replacement for umawethu is really doing well. But-ke nomawethu on the other side, eZondo Technologies, ubusy upoacher wonke ama-client ake abakhona lapha eKhosela Tech. Ushilo ukuthi yabona nje iJozi power iyahamba manje lapha eKhosela Tech because i-contract yabo iyaphela nabo. So thina-ke asihambe soyithatha sifake ngaphansi kwethu. Uyavuma-ke naye-ke uSydney uthi that's a good idea. Kuyabonakala nje ukuthi kuba khona kwakhe nje umawethu lapha eZondo Technologies makes things easier for uSydney. Uyamthemba ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakhe because vele he has experience and umsebenzi wakhe uyawushaya guys, hayi kancane. Akupheli-ke lapho. Leka amabandla, hayi kushubile. Uyangaphela umane waba nesibindi esinethambo eceleni, wabiza amaphoyisa ebizela abazali bakhe. Thema efika lapha endlini amaphoyisa engena bamtshela ukuthi-ke mntwana balisa-ke usitshele yonke into eyenzakalile apha endlini. Wathi hayi khululeka babuphoyisa, I will tell you everything. Mina bendihambile ndiye esikolweni ndiyofunda, ngitheme ndibuya apha endlini ndifica umama notata abandimele bandilindile. Mind you, umama nguye onginikeza i-permission ukuthi ngihambe, kodwa nditheme ndibuya utata besephethe ibhande efuna ukungibetha. Wabuza uHlathi ukuthi ndikubethela ntoni? Wathi hayi, bathi kunezi-condoms ezikhona lapha kwi-drawer yami. Wathi ezikabani kanti ngoba ezakho? Wathi akusizona ezabo. Ezakho zifike nawe apha. Wathi ubaba uphoyisa, no Mr. Mabandla, calm down, hlisa umoya, uzolitholela lakho ixesha lokuba usixelele ukuthi kwenzakala ntoni. Okwamanje kusathetha umntana, thetha. Nangampela waqhubeka uyanga wathi utata wamane wathatha ibhande wandibetha kabuhlungu, Mr. Police, like uyandibona kalokhu ndimvimbo ndibomvu. Tata, umama uke wama wandijonga nje uze wandilamulela later. Tata eseqedile ngami. Yo guys, uYanga engabafaka abazali bakhe ejele. I tell you, that little girl, angakubophisa emini kababa. Uthe suka lapho-ke Mr. Policeman wathi, Mr. Mabandla, what you did was wrong. You were not supposed to lay a hand on your child. Wathi Hlathi, awuzungixelela uba ndidiscipline njani yami ingane. Lo mntana uphumile endleleni, bekumele mina njengoyise ndimqondise indlela okuyiyona yona. Wathi ubaba uphoyisa, not by putting a hand on her. Zikhona ezinye indlela ongakwazi ukulungisa ngayo iy'ngxaki zabantwana. Nansi inamba, fona la, bazokusiza abantu bekaluleka ukuthi umntwana ulungiswa kanjani, hhayi ngokumbetha. Wena mntwana, mekuthi baphinda bakuhlukubeze abazali bakho, don't forget, call us, sizofika apha simthathe Mr. Mabandla if ever he does this again. Bajabula kuya ngokuthi-ke bamsupportile, ngisho namaphoyisa avumelana naye ukuthi yena uyahlukunyezwa lepha ekhaya. Ubengazi kuya ngokuthi azohamba amaphoyisa bese yena jongana ngqo notatakhe nomama akhe, and kuzoba nzima ukuthi abakhulumise because manje badiniwe-ke, bathukuthele baganuna nabo, abasafuna ukuzwa lutho liphuma emlonyeni kaYanga. Ngakusasa-ke guys, uYanga-ke uhambile wakuthumeka eyoyincengela phela ngoba abasafuna ukumkhulumisa abazali bakhe. Uthe, mama, bendicela ukuthatha nawe. Wathi andifuna ukuva nto iphuma kulo mlomo wakho. Wathi ndiyacela mama, into eyenzeka izolo bekade kuyimpazamo, kade nginomsindo. Wathi umsindo? Uyazi ukube amaphoyisa amthathile utatakho andithatha nami, shuthi wena ubuzosala wedwa la endlini khona uzozenzela amathanda, yona into bekade uyifuna leyo. Wathi cha bo mama, mina nje bekade ngizama ukukhombisa ukuthi utata ngokungibetha ube wrong. Ube wrong. Wathi yeyi, into bekade wrong ukuthi wena uzise ama-condoms la endlini wathatha kumtsaki. Unsaki kushuthi akayena umngane olungile. Wathi hayi, ulungile unsaki mama, uhamba ngisho emhlanga. Wathi andifuna ngisho ukuyiva. Yabona le nto oyenzile mntanami, ndifuna ukuxelela, uyaprova ukuthi mina ngisiyena umama oqotho. Uhlathi hleze ethi angena umama oqotho la kuwena. Sengiyabona manje ukuthi uthetha inyani. Ngihlulekile ukukhulisa uqhawekazi, akekho kuyimanje la endlini. Ndahluleka ukukhusela indodana yami ulikamva, kuyimanje akekho la emhlabeni. Manje ngiyahluleka nanokuthi ngiqondise wena, hayi uhlathi uzokuthatha ngampela, ubetshile ukuba uzondiphuca wena. Wathi hayi mama, mina soze ngihambe notata. Wathi lalela, phuma uphele la, andifuna ukuva nto, ngisahlulekisa mama mina, vele sengiyazi. Yo guys, waphuma enyobozela-ke kanjalo uYanga, ebona ukuthi cha impela uyimoshile inhliziyo-ke kanina noyise, which means lo mntana-ke manje usezozizwa lonely even more because now she's not going to have anyone to talk to. Even if kukhona i-advice ayifunayo, kuzoba nzima ukuthi aye kubaba wakhe ngoba ubaba wakhe uyashayana, sibhaxu sikhona laphaya. Kuzoba nzima nanokuthi aye kuma wakhe ngoba uma wakhe usho kahle ukuthi akahambe la, yena uyisahluleki sikamama. I really believe lo mntana usezoba more rebellious than before, ngoba manje sizothatha ama-advice kubantu basesikolweni, hhayi kumuntu omdala njengabazali bakhe. Guys, aphela lapho ngamazibela namhlanje. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama nqobile nifathela amazibela inimba angumhla ka-22 April. Sengathi-ke guys, ukuba unkosikazi wakangqokana kukazoleka kuyimosha kancane kancane impilo kaNomfundiso. Namhlanje-ke uthole i-phone call from izintatheli.